he turned my camera off. I think he's going to do stuff to me.
I'm asking you now to leave.
Well, I can leave, but I'm in handcuffs.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In June of 2022, Hendry and Ty Reviews went to the Lake County Government Complex in Indiana to view the grounds and see firsthand how our state and federal tax dollars are being spent. The complex holds the Sheriff's Department, Treasurer's Office, County Clerk, Superior Court, a correctional facility, and an animal control and adoption center. Large parking lots surround the buildings for public use, and others which are gated and feature signs, warning those without parking permits that their vehicles risk being towed. This didn't stop Google Maps from driving through some of the lots, including the ones where Hendry and Ty were set off to explore. The entrance they walked through had no signs or posted notices banning entry. In fact, the only signs they saw when walking onto the property suggested the public is welcome to enter for court or to adopt an animal. One section even features a doggy bag dispenser for people walking through and utilizing the public grassy area, so they ventured into the lot and filmed their surroundings. And about 2 minutes after their arrival, an employee inquired as to what they were doing. The two continued to film as a shift change appears to happen, and although it's difficult to hear, someone inside the building, likely an inmate, began pounding on the window from one of the upper floors of the facility.
Got somebody beating on a window up there, I think.
They're beating the window.
Did you hear that?
I heard that, yeah.
I think this is probably hear it.
Yeah.
They continued walking around the lot without protest from the public servants arriving for their workday. Nearly 10 minutes into their exploration, they began recording the fleet of government vehicles, and as they walked near a Sheriff's Department cruiser, it quickly takes off.
Huh. Quite interesting.
Shortly after, the trouble begins. The first deputy immediately puts Hendry in cuffs and tells him that he's trespassing.
We're what? We're just recording?
Recording what?
Just what we can see from public?
We're doing it on purpose. You gotta ask me to leave before you can trespass me.
Yeah, we.
I'm not trespassing. That's what are you doing while you're videotaping our parking lot?
I'm in handcuffs.
Right. I don't know what you're doing here. You're making sure that you're not doing anything. Right now,
What are you
you're
videotaping?
Just everything we can see from
Tyler,
public.
bro.
Why? That's why you're
You
videotaping.
need to come over here. He turned my camera off. I think he's gonna
okay.
do stuff to me.
If you're a camera officer, what are you videotaping? This is a jail. This is just,
We're exercising our First Amendment
you
right.
can't be in this parking lot.
There's no signs that say that, so we didn't know. Nobody asked us to leave. What do you?
Okay, well, I'm asking you now to leave.
Well, I can leave, but I'm in handcuffs.
After you're done with this, you're going to be leaving.
You don't know
Yes,
what you're doing
this
right
is
now.
not a public lot.
Well, there's no sign saying that, so I didn't know that.
Yes, you did. You knew. You were
What do you
going through
mean?
you were going through everyone's cars recording stuff. Don't move. You were going
This
through
is
everyone's
battery,
cars.
guys. All right, if you're a supervisor, I'd suggest that you stop him.
They were looking
I've-
through everyone's cars recording.
That's
things.
not a. It's
Everyone's
called the
license
plain
plates.
view doctrine.
They were looking at everyone's
It's
license
in plain
plates,
view in
recording everything.
public. We can see it. It's all okay to look at.
Call the break to him.
Yep.
The plain view doctrine is a rule of criminal procedure. It lets an officer seize evidence without a warrant if the evidence is clearly visible from a public place, such as looking into your vehicle during a traffic stop. In other cases, this applies to private spaces if the officer has a lawful reason to be there, such as when a person invites an officer into their home. The plain view doctrine also sets a standard for citizens. The people should be free to inspect the vehicles and buildings the government is spending our taxes on. Now the arresting officer claims that there is a sign. It is likely that only drivers can view the sign and was never seen by the two men. Furthermore, the sign only restricts parking in the lot if you are not jail staff and does not forbid entry altogether, nor is it supported by Indiana code.
Well, we'll get you a supervisor on duty.
Can you get me out of handcuffs? I'm not a threat. What's the reason that I'm in handcuffs? You're obviously not concerned about me running.
I don't even know, but you know what? We have inmates that go back, that get released and come back to try to do stuff to our cars, key up our cars and stuff. So
I know.
yeah,
We've
that's
got
all
everything
we
that we did on camera.
mess with our stuff. Yeah.
You think we'd do something funky and record it?
Hey, Sergeant, can I get your name and badge number, please?
It's on my shirt. Shanupa 411.
Shanupa?
Yeah, 411.
Thank
Thank you.
What's his?
Ask him.
Hey, officer.
On my shirt too.
Can
Cross
I see
491.
it?
I said cross
We'll get
491.
your supervisor over here.
Why am I in handcuffs?
Ask him. He put you in handcuffs, not me.
Why am I in handcuffs, man?
Why are you recording this?
Why are you keep doing
Suspicious. I'm not pushing you.
Suspicion isn't a felony or a misdemeanor.
I'd appreciate it if you don't get behind me, man.
This is.
You were going through people's cars.
I was not going through anybody's
and you
cars.
recorded the proof.
I'm not going through
You were looking
anybody's
through people's cars.
Looking inside the windows is not a crime. You guys do
Really?
it every
That's
time you
not
make
weird.
a traffic stop.
That's not weird at all.
If you
Go
guys
through
do it
people's
every
cars.
time you do a traffic stop, then yeah, that's weird. But if you don't do it, then
chill
okay.
out.
I'm chill. I'm in handcuffs. You're the one
right
who
now you're
calls
being
for
loud.
us out.
You're the one being loud.
No, you're the one who just assaulted me. You keep pushing me.
Assaulting me.
You got me in handcuffs. What would you do if I put you in handcuffs? I didn't see it when I was walking in.
Okay.
You had to have come in. You had to have.
I walked
Turn the
past
camera
that
off.
yellow.
Please. I'm telling you now, turn the camera off.
This is for our own safety, man.
You're not supposed to be in this lot. Turn.
Okay,
I'm
it will
asking you
leave.
nicely to turn the camera off. There's jail staff only. You're not supposed to be videotaping in this lot. It's jail staff only. Please turn the camera off
Hey, whoa.
before we go. They makes any worse.
I requested another officer.
taking a
Will you
look.
deal with this man? He's grabbing me.
We're
super
taking a
hard,
look at the signs.
And he's saying,
Super
uh-oh.
hard.
Yeah, bro, you just grabbed me hard. Stop that.
Child.
Okay, well, you still have to ask me to leave before I'm trespassed. It's in statute,
There's a
guys.
sign.
Sir,
It's a government building. There's a sign.
There's a public, it's public property.
I
It's
just
not.
want to know. Excuse me. Which part of the street?
I
No
didn't
staff.
see it.
Sir,
It's making you see it.
Tyler, did you see
Clearly
it?
posted.
I did not see it. We
Clearly
just walked
posted.
in.
okay.
It's clearly posted.
Are you parked
What?
in
Hey,
this
Sergeant,
parking lot?
will you come deal with me, bro?
Parked in this parking lot? Are you parked in this?
No.
You seem to be the more level-headed one. I'd rather talk to you.
Yes, we walked.
Okay, where did you walk from?
I walked from over in that direction.
So you walked across the street.
Which is another.
I don't want to be grabbed by any grab.
I'm not trying to grab you. The whole point is, the whole point. I actually replied.
Is that off?
Sorry, man. Go ahead.
So you should turn that off and restrict to the lot. Turn that off. What you taped is completely. You cannot tape. This is all.
The video ends there, and none of the deputies were equipped with body cams. The two were charged with trespass and released, but the charges were ultimately dismissed. In January of 2024, Hendry and Ty filed a lawsuit against the county, sheriff, and the arresting deputy Joseph Kraus for First, Fourth, and 14th Amendment violations. Based on the reactions of most of the employees for the first 10 minutes of video, it's safe to assume that seeing people walk through the lot to get to other buildings is normal, and that Hendry and Ty were detained solely because they were recording.
They were looking through everyone's cars recording.
That's
things.
not a. It's
Everyone's
called the
license
plain
plates.
view doctrine.
They were looking at everyone's
It's
license
in
plates,
plain view in
recording everything.
public.
Lawsuits like this can either settle in a month or two, or get dragged on for years, so when this one comes to a close, I'll let you know. Until then, make sure you check out Hendry and Ty reviews respectively, and while you're there, let them know I sent you. Otherwise, if you like these videos, be sure to check out another one linked on screen.